What if I told you that beneath the surface of the crypto market lies a sleeper peak with a roadmap that could ignite a surge? Today, we dive deep into a Jasmy Coin in real time, unpacking the latest price action, dissecting fresh news and roadmap developments, and revealing expert backed predictions for June and July 2025. Stay tuned because by the end you will have actionable insights and a clear picture by where Jasmy Coin might head next. As of today, Jasmy Coin is trading near 0.01287 with a market capitalization around $636 million, reflecting a volatile journey since its early 2024 highs and subsequent corrections. This point places Jasmy in the lower mid altcoin tier, but it's critical to understand that recent swings after peaking near $0.04 in early January 2025, it retracted substantially, carving a descending wedge, a pattern often signaling a potential breakout if conditions align. Notice how Jasmine formed lower highs and lower lows, but volumes have thinned near recent lows, potentially sitting for a squeeze. Yet caution is warranted given broader market volatility. Let's pivot to the fundamentals. In late April 2025, Jasmine Corporation unveiled its ambitious 2025 roadmap, a sparking buzz across the community. Key highlights include a decentralized exchange launch that was aimed to boost token liquidity and accessibility for Jasmine holders, mainnet expansions was strengthening the underlying blockchain infrastructure to support higher throughput and broader Internet of Things integrations, sticking features allowing users to lock up Jasmine tokens for rewards, which would reduce circulating supply and incentive holding. Junction Token Economy Initiative was to actually these are the efforts to expand Jasmine utility through new use cases in data sharing, security, and ecosystem partnerships. These developments, if executed smoothly, may drive adoption with the IoT blockchain niche, where Jasmine positioned itself as a secure data management layer. However, roadmap hype often um, outpaces on-chain reality. So we'll weigh this against on-chain and market indicators shortly. So now time for a technical breakdown on a daily chart. Jasmine curved a descending wedge from the Feb to mid-June 2025, often considered a bullish reversal pattern. If a breakout confirmations appear, support hovered near a point 0.008 to a point 0.009 earlier in April 2025, where a resistance level to watch sit around 0.018 dollar zone that correspond to previous consolidation peaks. Watch for a decisive daily close above the upper trend line of the wedge, that is 0.0145 on higher than average volume. This could signal a short-term bullish momentum aiming to $0.018. Conversely, a breakdown below recent lows, that is 0.012 on volume, could invalidate the pattern and open the door to further downside to a point 010 to a point 009. Uh, Here, risk management is the key. Beyond charts, market sentiment and on-chain data provide color. Recent online discussions oscillate between excitement over the roadmap and skepticism after early 2025 pullback. Sentiment indices show slight upticks when roadmap news drops, but sustained hype remains muted without price confirmation. While Jasmy isn't among top on-chain tokens in for decentralized finance activity, wallet address activity shows modest upticks around news announcements. Staking participation metrics will be critical to monitor for real supply lockups. And given the lack of deep liquidity compared to large scale tokens, smaller swings can trigger outside volatility. Monitor whale wallet movements. Abrupt transfer to exchanges often precede dips, while accumulation of an exchange hints at bullish positioning. Use on chain explorers or analytic dashboard to support these flows in real time. With the above context, let's outline possible June scenarios. There are predictions for June 2025, uh, which are estimates for June average near 0.0167 with the floor around $0.0134. Um, Binance daily model suggests slight uptick from mid-June, projecting a 0.01290 um, on June 17 and modest rises into late June, possibly nearing a 0.01295 to 0.0130. These projections highlight a consensus range roughly 0.0109 to 0.0173 for June, clustering around 0.013 to 0.0167. Given the descending wedge, a coordinated breakout in June could push toward the upper range, that is 0.016 to 0.017, especially if broader altcoin markets rally or roadmap catalysts drop at the right moment. However, a failure to break resistance could see retests of lows near 0.011. There's a strategy tips here for you guys. Consider dollar cost averaging between 0.012 and 0.014, awaiting a breakout confirmation about 0.15 on higher volume. There must be a stop loss discipline. Place stops below key support, that is like below 0.011 to limit downside if a breakdown occurs. Always watch catalyst, keep alerts for upcoming roadmap milestones or partnership announcements. A surprise feature launch or integration can ignite spikes. There must always be a risk management given Jasmy mid-tier liquidity. Avoid oversized positions. Allocate a modest portfolio percentage. Looking into July 2025 forecast, diverge further. Uh, Coin Codex analysis predicts July average around 0.01922 with a range roughly 0.01605 to 0.02242. Uh, Changely suggests that actually remain conservative, expecting July to mirror June around 0.0167 to 0.0232 boundaries. If Jasmy nails a breakout in late June, driven by a roadmap progress or a positive market sentiment, we could see a run toward a 0.018 in July. Conversely, if a macro headwinds uh, way down the altcoin sector, Jasmine might stagnate or retreat into a consolidation between 0.013 to 0.015. Key is watching early July volume. Rising volumes alongside price increases hint at genuine momentum. Muted volume signals potentially false break. No analysis is complete without risk assessment. Jasmy Coin faces liquidity constraints, execution risks, competition and regulatory challenges, and market volatility. Lower trading volumes mean higher slippage and vulnerability to rapid price swings for large orders. Roadmap milestones can be delayed. Failure to deliver decentralized exchange or staking on schedule can dampen sentiment. IoT blockchain space is competitive, regulatory uncertainties is a different jurisdiction may impact adoption and listing potentials. The broader crypto market downturns can drag Jasmine down, irrespective of its specific merits. Always position size responsibly. Consider Jasmine as a higher risk, higher reward element in your portfolio. Use protective orders and remain vigilant about news and on-chain flows to exit if adverse signals emerge. To wrap up, Jasmy Coin sits at a pivotal juncture. Jasmy Coin sits at a pivotal juncture in June 2025. Current price action around 0.0137 suggests a potential for a breakout of the descending wedge resolves bullish, but equally the risk for further consolidation or drop if broader market conditions soar or roadmap updates disappoint. June forecast range roughly 0.0109 to a 0.0173 with July potentially extending into a 0.016 to a 0.020 territory if catalysts align. Armed with this real-time analysis, set your entries in the 0.012 zone. Watch for a convincing breakout above 0.015 uh, and keep tight risk controls under 0.011. Stay updated on the roadmap developments and market shifts. If you find this deep dive helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell on the Insight Sphere for more real time crypto insights. Drop your thoughts. Do you see Jasmine breaking out or staying range bound? Comment below and let's discuss. Until next time, trade smart and stay curious.